Reuters poll, average property prices in 2025 will rise at a much faster pace than the last year. वहीं दूसरी तरफ rents are expected to climb even faster, jumping by 7 to 10%. ऐसे में property की demand बढ़ना लाजमी है. Who would want to spend their money in paying higher rents when possible rate cuts by the RBI are likely to make home buying easier, right? Sensing this opportunity, top developers in the country are busy launching new projects, especially in markets where demand for luxury housing is seen picking up. In this video, we will talk about some of these key launches. We will also break down budget requirements for future buyers to help them plan better. Hi, I am Nikita, your host for this month's Realty Roundup. Between March and April, ज़्यादातर launches Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Kolkata जैसी markets में होने वाली हैं. Localities where these launches are planned are OMR, Bellandur, Muttanallur, Udigere Cross, Yelahanka and Chikkajala in Bengaluru, Rajarhat, Shalkia, BL Shah Road, Lake Town and Sector 5 in Kolkata, Shamshabad, Kukatpalli, Kondapur and Neopolis in Hyderabad. Incidentally, in तीनों ही cities में property prices लगातार बढ़ती रही हैं. For this reason, even cities like Kolkata and Hyderabad, जो कि बाकी बड़े markets के comparison में पहले affordable हुआ करती थी, have now become quite expensive. In the next 2 months, majority of the units launched will be 3 BHK homes. This is an indication that buyer aspirations are driving the supply dynamics. Premium markets में आने वाली ये units 1.5 से 3 करोड़ रुपए के बीच में priced होंगी. Meanwhile, during a month when the world celebrated International Women's Day, various studies revealed that real estate is the most preferred investment option for the ladies. With increasing independence and higher disposable incomes, women are emerging as confident investors in the housing market. Incidentally, in a key ruling targeting women empowerment, the Supreme Court recently ruled that a wife getting a property through a compromised agreement in a divorce case is exempt from paying the stamp duty. For context, stamp duty वो फीस है जो हर प्रॉपर्टी बायर को गवर्नमेंट रिकॉर्ड्स में प्रॉपर्टी रजिस्ट्री करवाने के समय पर पे करनी पड़ती है. Depending on the state where the property is located, buyers have to pay anywhere between 4 and 8% of the property cost as the stamp duty. This judgment by the Apex Court will make asset transfer smoother and more affordable while ensuring financial security for women. That is all from us for this month. Keep watching our videos for more such updates.